In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy stock on Schwab's stock slices. There are three main rules through the Schwab stock slices program. And that's basically, there is a minimum amount per stock that you're going to buy. And that minimum is $5. If you have less than that, you're not going to be able to buy anything. If you have more than that, just know that $5 is the minimum. The next rule is that you can only buy S&P 500 stock, not anything else, not ETFs, not options, not mutual funds. You are buying fractions of an S&P 500 stock. And then lastly, all of the trades in order to get the shares to you are going to be market orders, okay? Just for the sake of simplicity, I'm going to buy 5 particular stocks that I already own. This is not a recommendation. I'm going to buy Amazon, Google, Lockheed Martin, Meta, and Nvidia. And it's really easy. If you already know the shares you're going to buy, this makes it 10 times simpler. So you just hit the search button there and you're going to type them in. Type in the ticker symbols or the name of the stock. So, okay, I'm going to add that to my order. It shows me the price per share. Add that to the order. Lockheed Martin. Meta, and then lastly, Nvidia. All right, so that's it. Got that. So now you'll see that there's a drop-down menu, or a curtain, as they like to call it. And it shows me the 5 stocks I've selected. I'm going to be spending $25, so $5 each. Hit continue. You have to select which account you're going to do this in. So it's great if you have custodial accounts within your Schwab accounts available to you. You can do it in any type of account, retirement accounts, just not 401ks. But essentially any other self-directed account. I'm going to buy it in my rollover IRA. Okay, not just 5, but 25. So it's doing the math for me. Now you just have to acknowledge that you're okay with the order type. You know that it's a market order, which is essentially a day order. It's going to show you the full price. I'm looking at it now and I noticed one thing, it's not reinvesting the dividends for me. So I'm going to have to go back and review that. I want to change that. So I need to make sure I select reinvest dividends. All right. I'm okay with the market order because a market order is immediate. It gives me the best available price at the moment. All right, if everything's good, we hit place order. That's it. Orders received. It shows me that we essentially did 5 market orders immediately, all at the same time. And if you want to, you can buy another slice. So maybe you want to buy some Schwab stock slices, but you aren't sure, and you want to research particular sectors, you can do that. You don't have to just sift through the entire list of 500, but you can narrow it down by sector. And for example, if you wanted to focus on utilities, it gives you the list here. You can tap on the particular stock and hit add to order. And now it's going to be in our curtain here. If I don't want it there, I can just remove it. Schwab stock slices is pretty cool for accounts where you may not have the minimum amount to buy a full share, or you can actually gift it to other accounts. If you're wondering how to buy this on Schwab.com, the full version, I want you to watch this video right here. And of course, stay present.